The new rule them under the disaster risk management law. This are the new rule them for rafting. 1. People can go river from 6 o'clock a morning to 6 o'clock a evening every day. 2. Sign must there with the rule them for the property, and sign must put up which part people walk for go in. 3. All of the visitor them and the rafter them must get them temperature check at the place where them walk for go up on the property or in the river. 4. All of the people them on the raft for have mask for use, but the raft captain have to have on free mask. 5. The raft captain must be at least 10 foot from the passenger them. 6. Only 2 smaddy and the raft captain must be on one raft. 7. Only people who come from the same family or group must go on the raft together. 8. The life vest them must wash every day and they must disinfect every time somebody use them. 9. All of the place them have somewhere for people wash them and they must keep them place clean, like how the Ministry of Health and Wellness said the place for keep clean. 10. Anywhere where people have to turn up for go in, like a bathroom, entrance, or no place where people can buy something, for have things marked out for the people them turn up 6 foot distance from them one another. 11. Bathroom and place where people change for clean and sanitize every hour.